Hi, I am Rakoshik, studying second year B.Tech IT in SSN College of Engineering, Kalavakam, Tamil Nadu. I am here to talk something about Microsoft Robotics Developer Studio. Microsoft Robotics Developer Studio was developed by Windows in association with its communities. The Microsoft Robotics Developer Studio is a window-based environment for robotics simulation and control. Microsoft Robotics Developer Studio has got four main components. They are CCR, DSS, VLP, and VSC. CCR, that is concurrency and coordination runtime. It is a .NET based concurrent library implementation for managing asynchronous parallel tasks. Second one is decentralized software services, that is DSS. It is a lightweight environment that is at the top of the CCR, and it is most important than CCR, and DSS allows orchestration of multiple tasks to achieve complex behavior. Third one is visual programming language, that is VPL. The Microsoft Visual Programming Language is a application development environment for flowchart. It works like a flowchart, and in whatever language you want to write a robotic code, VSC gives a perfect and funniest and perfect video experience for the user. And last one is VSC, that is Visual Simulation Environment. To explain Visual Simulation Environment, let us consider an example like this. If you are writing a code for new code for an existing robot, and you don't know what is the outcome for that new code you have written, and you don't want to implement the same over the existing robot and which can even damage the property of the existing robot. For that, you can easily implement your new code over the virtual robot and the virtual environment, and you can see the outcome. If it is okay, then you can easily implement the same over the existence. Otherwise, you can modify something and do it on an existing robot. And finally, you can see 3D simulation, which allows you to simulate the virtual robot applications using NVIDIA physics technology. And finally, to talk about the tools of the MRDS, that is Microsoft Robotics Development Studio, this is more or less related to visual programming language. The first one is they are of greater interacting with graphically, and it has got the services and activity are represented by the blocks, which consist of input and output. They just need to be dragged and dropped from the catalog to the diagram, and the diagram input and the output can be connected using mouse, and you are given permission to define whether the signals are going to be simultaneous or not. And with the uses, the first use is example Princeton University, DARPA's Urban Grand Challenge. The autonomous car entry is entirely designed based on MRDS, and Indiana University is using MRDS for a non-robotic application, and etc. And finally, for about the version, MRDS was first introduced with MRDS 1 and MRDS 1.5 and MRDS 1.5 refresh, and recently Microsoft released an MRDS 2008 R3 on May 20th, 2010. It has got two versions. Both are stable, and they are stable version and express version. And the express version is a free version, which can download from the internet, and you can easily implement it in your desktop or laptop, etc. And from the above speech, you can easily get some ideas about the MRDS tools, properties, etc. And now, if I was selected as student partner, I think I will be able to bring awareness among the people about Microsoft technologies by my seminars, speeches, etc. And I will dedicate myself to do the same. Thank you.
1 minute.